Alright boys and girls, and welcome to Learning Guitar. Alright, so we have ROMAIN VIRGO featuring MASICKA. This one is called Been There Before. So we have this verse and chorus going on, two different parts. We're going to take a look at the main part here, the pattern here played with notes, but also how to do the strumming there. So let's start with capo set here on the 2nd fret. And with that, we're going to go over the chords. So we have the A minor first. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have the F. That's a bar chord. You play a bar here, index finger on the 1st fret over all strings. And then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. We have the C. That is 3rd on A, 2nd on G, open G, 1st B, and open E. And then we have the G. We'll have 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B this time. Usually we go with 3rd B, this time open, and then 3rd E. We also have the E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is D minor. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Alright, so we're gonna go at the main part now, the picking pattern. We're gonna learn both the verse and chorus first, and then look at the strumming pattern. So, no need for going into what to play for each and every chord. I'm gonna take you through the verse as it is. So we're gonna start with the A minor based part here. Hold the chord as it is, that's what I do. And you're gonna play this part. So that is open A, 2nd D, 1st B. Then open A, 2nd D, and open B. Then F here, I don't hold the chord as it is for this specific grip here. I'm gonna play like this. So that is 1st on E, 3rd A, and 2nd on G. Then again, 1st E, 3rd A, and open G. Then for C, I go like this. So I start with just the 3rd fret on the A string. I'm gonna play 3rd A, open G, open E, then again 3rd A, open G, and 3rd B. Then for G chord, I'm not holding the chord as it is, just the 3rd fret on E string, and I play like this. So that is 3rd on E, open D, open B, and then again 3rd E, open D, and 2nd G. And that is the verse play. It goes like this. The tempo was just a little bit slower than the standard tempo, but that is how you play one verse play. Beautiful there. Over to the chorus. Now you're gonna change grips a little bit faster than in the verse. So we're gonna go with C first. Just gonna play that. 3rd on A, open G, and open E. Then G chord, like this. That is 3rd on E, open D, and open B. Then the A minor, just like this. So that is open A, 2nd D, 1st B. Then the E minor. So that is open E string, 2nd A, and open B. Then comes the F. That is 1st on E, 3rd A, 2nd G. Then back to E minor, like this. So that is open E, second A, and open G. Then comes the D minor, and we don't have this D back in D tuning, the drop D tuning, because it's a little bit darker in the original song, but you have to do it in this way. So that is open D, second G, and first E. And the final chord, the G, goes just like 2 times on the 3rd fret E string in the bass. And that is one chorus round. Slowly, a little bit like this. Yeah, so there you have the chorus play as well. So if I play one verse and one chorus for you, it goes like this. Yes, all right. So you have all the chords now and know how they come from the verse and the chorus play. And if you're gonna choose to play the strumming, it's very easy. If you grab the first chord, the A minor, you will play 3 downs in total here for this A minor, but this is ×2 in the verse play. So the chords in the verse play, A minor, F, C, and G, you're gonna play the strumming pattern ×2. So one round is down, 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 like this. And I like to play the first 2 downs on the bass strings and the last down a little bit down on the higher notes. And that is pretty much how the melody goes. It goes bass, bass, and the highest note is in the end there. So bass, bass, top, bass, bass, top, F, C, and G. That is how I play the verse play. But if you go to the chorus, you're just gonna play 1 string around per chord now, because the changes between the chords goes faster. So C, G, A minor, E minor, F, E minor, D minor, and G. Alright, so that is how I play the chorus play, both melody and strumming. That's ROMAIN, VIRGOs, and MASICKA's been there before. Give it a try, guys, and hope to see you here very, very soon again. Till next time, play tuned.